Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be making a bird's mouth bowl. So step one is knowing that the diameter and length of the wood blank that you're using are exactly the same. Alright, so step number two is turning the piece of wood to shape. Alright, so the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. So depending on how you have it mounted onto the lathe, you want to turn kind of like a bulb shape at the bottom, which is obviously going to be the bowl. And you want to kind of give it a wing at the top. So I've obviously chosen to mount mine on a woodworm screw. If it was a bigger piece of wood, you could obviously put it on a faceplate. You're going to keep on shaping. You can make them wings at the top as dramatic as you like, or not as dramatic as you like. And I am going to go for a Tenon on mine, but of course you can go for a mortise if you like. Also known as an innie or an outie. Doing some shaping with the mid-size rougher. And the number one hollower to do some final shaping. Alright, we're just going to quickly have a check, see how we're getting on. There we go, you see we need to take a little bit more off at the top, just so that wing there is nice and pointy. So we're going to take that down a little bit more. Alright, another check, and there you go. Pointy wings. Alright, so now we've got that done, we can make the tenon. So this is to match the angles of the jaws in the truck, and we're going to use the mid-size detailer to do that. And we're just going to take that nubbin there off. There you go.
I'm waiting for you. No, I won't leave you. You've been down so long that I can barely breathe.
Alright, so step number three is now hollowing. And for that we are going to use the number one hollower to start off with. Excuse my hand in the way there. And this is the number three hollower. Is to get right under the bowl, and now we're just going to clean up the inside of them wings. And there you go. That's it for step number 3. Bit of compressed air there. Alright, step number 4, everyone's favourite task, sanding. So this is just up to 240 grit here with Klingspor Abrasives. There you go. Lost a little bit of bark there, which is a shame. Would have liked to have kept that on. And step number 5, finishing. So this is Hampshire Sheen's food and toy safe Danish oil. There you go. So I didn't put this in the 5-step process, but I'm showing everybody how I take the bottom of this bowl off. You may have put a mortise in yours, but once again I'm just showing you how I take the bottom of the mortises off. So this is on a jam chuck. I'm using the mid-size detailer and I'm constantly pushing towards the headstock, and I'm just taking away that nubbin, giving it a nice undercut. And this is the micro detailer, taking it right the way down to a little point until it comes off. There you go. Alright, so now we're just going to do some final sanding. And final bit of oiling. Please let me know if you like this 5 process stepped video, and down in the comments, and we'll see if we can make some more for you. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.